Co-host can now build for you inside of your Mighty Network. What this means is that Co-host can help you create spaces and collections, rename them, give you advice on how to set up your plans, and even set them up for you. So let me take you through a little demo of what it can do today. And we have a lot more exciting things that I will be able to do in the future, including helping you with your landing space and branding as well. So if I go to the sparkle icon here in the upper right corner, this is my hiking community, and I want to create a space that is a habit tracker, and I want to encourage my members to drink more water. I'm going to say, help me create a space called Daily Water Tracker. I can always change the name of this at a different date if I'd like to, and actually co-host can help me do that as well. So it's going to go ahead and think. And what you'll be able to do is you'll be able to create the space from one of our templates. So you can do chat, feed, cohort course, content only. If you don't know exactly what type of template you want, you can use build your own and mix and match the features that you want as well. So it also gives me a suggestion to run a live challenge. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose that live challenge. And then it will ask me a series of questions, what I want to name it, what collection I would like to put it in as well. So Daily Water Tracker is now live. It's here in the first collection of Welcome, but I could move it. It's currently private and hidden, so whenever it creates anything for you, it will not be visible. So it lives in the Welcome collection, but you can move it to a different collection anytime you need. Do you want to set up a challenge structure, or would you like to add it to a payment plan so other members can access it? I'm going to go ahead and keep it in this collection for now, but I could tell co-host to move it to a new collection if I'd like to. I can also create a new collection from here called Challenges, which actually that's a great idea. I think I want to do that. Say create a new collection called Challenges. And then I'm going to go ahead and move the Daily Water Tracker into that new collection. Now, it won't be able to help me with my branding just yet or the content inside of this space, but that is definitely something that the team is working on and that we hope to bring to you in the near future. So they've created a challenges. Here we are. So I want to go ahead and move the Drink More Water tracker into challenges. So move the space, because we're still talking about that same space, into the new collection Challenges. So I'll go ahead and move into that. And then what I want to do is actually create a plan. And I saw it actually move just in real time right here, which is very exciting. So I want to go ahead and create a plan for this now. Maybe I want to offer it as a limited membership, as something that new members can try out inside my Mighty Network. So create a plan for this space. It's going to ask me some questions, but I can also ask it for guidance. So it says pricing type, what spaces to include, landing space, etc. Also, what would you like to name the plan? So I'm going to say name the plan Daily Water Tracker. Just include that one space. And can you suggest pricing? I want it to be a limited membership. Co-host has access to Community Design Framework, People Magic Profit. It also has access to our Help Center as well, so it will understand terms like limited membership. So it does say, since your network has 2 enabled currencies, so I have a couple currencies on here, I'll need a price for both. And here's my pricing suggestion. $9 to $19, one-time low barrier. And so essentially I can go ahead and give them those numbers, what I want to charge for it, and it will create the plan. Also, would you like a free trial? And do you want to require approval before members can join? So you can add screening questions and approvals. It will know how to do that as well. So it's just a conversation back and forth. I'm not going to add in any free trials or approvals just yet, but I am going to go ahead and give it some prices. I'm just going to copy and paste this right here. And I'm going to say USD, I'll do $19. I like that one. And then I'll do the equivalent, which would be 15 here for GBP. And then we'll go ahead and take a look at the plan and anything that it does. So approval, benefits, description, you can keep on filling this out until it will create the plan for you. So I'm going to pause here, answer these questions, and we'll take a look. Okay, and the daily water tracker plan has now been created, and I gave it a description. I also asked for some suggestions as well, and then they have this helpful link to go to my plan settings. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and we'll take a look at the plan. And you'll see right now that the plan isn't visible anywhere, but I could make it visible if I wanted to and change any of the settings or the details, just as if I had created it myself. And that's just the start of how Co-Host can help you build inside of your Mighty Network today. And we have lots more on the horizon. We can't wait to show you.